Okay, so we have the delivery of a new drainage pipe. It's not exactly the same, even though it says it's an original part, but could fit other models. I guess that's why. Obviously, this bit is something that we're going to cut, but I need to ensure that this is the right length first. I'm going to install it and have a look, and obviously connect it to this drainage pipe. Okay, so what I have started doing is I've inserted it this way, obviously with the lip on this side. So this bit goes this way. And I wanted to stop for a second because I can notice that there are these two little protrusions on here. And I just wanted to bring your attention to it. So as we're gonna kind of pull it in or even squeeze it in, there we go, it gets a little bit tighter at this end, and we're just gonna try and push this in a bit. There we go. Well, that's much better than it used to be, and at least the water is not getting in here when this was basically ripped. So the only other step we have here is to connect our components together, but obviously connect this one in and then cut this one in an appropriate place. So I'm going to do it now, but sadly, because I only have two hands, I'm going to have to pause it for a second. Right, and there we go. I did cut it perhaps 2 millimeters longer than this one, right, than the old one. 2 millimeters longer, which is more convenient, I believe, and it fits in nicely. Everything is very tight. And there we have it, right? It's nicely fitted in here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to simply close the boot now and reopen it. And let's open it. Yeah, fits nicely, closes nicely, and this little piggy is sorted now. I hope this was useful, and once again, we are still waiting for this part, and I should get it in the next, I think, 4 or 5 days. I have ordered it from the UK, but whether this is simply a cheaper postage or whether it's something that is coming from abroad, even though on eBay it indicates it comes from the UK, I don't know. I know that I have seen one in Latvia on eBay, right? I've seen a proper sort of seal that one could order from there for around maybe £9. This one was, if I'm not mistaken, probably around 12-ish, 12 something. But yeah, finally it is sorted, and I'm glad.